Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this pair of Aquaman inspired shoes. If you're curious to see how I did this, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video we are going to be DIYing a pair of Aquaman inspired high heels. I know most of you are probably sitting there thinking, why would anyone ever do this to their shoes? I don't know. I like weird, crazy things, and I don't know about you, but I haven't seen a lot of Aquaman shoes out there on the market, so I decided to make a pair for myself. Why not? So we're going to go ahead and use some of the stickers that I got in one of my Heroes Tower subscription boxes. So without further ado, let's just jump into this DIY and see how I made these shoes. Okay guys, so here's a quick before of what the shoes look like before we turn them into an amazing pair of Aquaman shoes. Okay, so for supplies, you're going to need a pair of shoes, whatever kind you want to do this to. It does not have to be heels. And then you're going to need some stickers. Obviously, I'm going to go ahead and go for these Aquaman stickers from this pack of stickers that I have here. Then you're going to need some acrylic caulking. I get mine from Walmart for $2.50. You're going to need a container that has a lid, a spoon, and then you're going to need some paint. I'm going for this Laguna Apple Barrel color of paint. Just 50 cents at Walmart. And then you're going to need some type of painting knife. This one I got at Dollar Tree for $1. Okay, now that we have our supplies out of the way, the first thing that we're going to do is take our acrylic caulking and we're going to squeeze it into the little tub here. I can't tell you how much you're going to need. You're just going to have to guesstimate, and if you need more, mix more. Then you're going to add your paint. Add a generous amount because as you're mixing, you'll see that it's going to lighten up because obviously the caulking is white and your paint is whatever color you're using. So just keep that in mind. You can add more paint as needed. Okay, now that all of that's done, we're going to go ahead and just start slapping it onto the shoe. Literally, guys, you just spread it on like butter. There's no rhyme, there's no reason to what I'm doing here. I'm just spreading it on the shoe. Now, when you get to the ends of the shoe here, like, towards the bottom, I would suggest not taping it off and just kind of tapping it into place as close as you can to the bottom of the shoe. The reason I don't like to tape mine off is because I did that one time, and when I pulled it off, I pulled off the caulking with the tape. So it kind of defeated the purpose, and I found this way to be much easier. You get all the way to the end, and if you make a mistake, just wipe it off. It's that simple. And then I'm just showing you here that you also want to make sure that you get to the top of the shoe all the way, wrap it to the inside part there. Not all the way inside, of course, but just to where you see the exterior part of the shoe meet the lining of the shoe. That's how far you want to go. So now I'm taking my stickers and I'm just going to plop one of those off there and, put it on the shoe. There's no rhyme or reason to this. I don't know where I'm going to put them. I just kind of start placing stickers in random places, just putting it on the shoe, just tapping it into place, make sure it's totally secure. And because I ran out of stickers, I thought that I would go ahead and print something off that I could put right in that huge empty space that I had there. So I printed off this Aquaman logo from my computer, and I just found this online, guys. I literally just typed in Aquaman logo. So I'm just cutting this out. I'm going to go ahead and place it in that huge empty space that I have right there. So when you do this, make sure that you're tapping it into place all the way around, in the middle, on the ends. Just make sure it's completely secure into the caulking before you move on to the next place. And then I just want to make it very clear, guys, that this is just regular printer paper. There's no special paper here. It's just regular printer paper that I'm using to put on my shoes. Okay, so because I didn't want it to look like I just stuck a bunch of paper and stickers onto my shoes, I decided that I'm going to go ahead and use the acrylic caulking to seal these edges and kind of make it look like the waves are splashing up over the logo and over top of the stickers as well. This will seal them into place, and I personally feel like it's a really cool effect. So just take your time here and make sure that you're not covering up anything that you don't want to, and if you do, make sure you wipe it away before this dries. Okay, so this is what the shoes look like after I let them dry for one day. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish off the heels of both of the shoes. But I do want to make it very clear that the acrylic caulking needs to dry for 7 days before it is completely cured. So do not attempt to wear these shoes before the 7 days because I promise you, you will mess them up. It is a very important part of this process. Okay, so the shoes have dried for another day to let the heels dry. So now I'm going to take some Mod Podge and I'm going to seal in the stickers and that Aquaman logo. I went ahead and went over all of this stuff 4 times to make sure it was completely sealed into place. Because remember, that's just a piece of paper and then the stickers are just stickers. I promise you they will mess up if you don't seal them. So make sure that you seal them with the Mod Podge, do a coat, let it dry, another coat, let it dry, so on and so forth. And once you finish that, these shoes are done. Okay guys, so you have seen me do this technique before with shoes on this channel, but I just wanted to show this to you guys to show you that not only does it look like ice cream like I did with the one pair of shoes, but it can also look like waves in the water. I mean, as soon as I saw those Aquaman stickers in my Heroes Tower box, I thought to myself, you know what? I could totally make a pair of shoes with these. That's what instantly popped into my head. I know most people probably don't think that way, but I like outside of the box crazy things, so that is what I thought I would go ahead and do with some of those stickers. I have plans for the other stickers and it's not going to be the same thing on every single pair of shoes, but I just wanted to show this technique to you guys first, but I have plenty of ideas for those other stickers, so hopefully you're subscribed and you've clicked the notification bell so you don't miss any more of the ideas I have for the stickers in those boxes. So for this pair of shoes, the most important thing, if anybody actually attempts to do this, which I'm sure that there's a very small handful of people that will, make sure that the acrylic caulking dries for 7 full days before you wear your shoes. If you attempt to wear your shoes before the caulking has fully cured, I promise you, you will mess them up. I've done that and it's totally not worth it. Just wait the full 7 days for everything to dry out so that you can wear them without damaging your shoes. And again, it is very important anytime you're using stickers or paper or whatever on your shoes that you seal them with Mod Podge several times. I did like 4 coats of Mod Podge on the stickers and on the paper, and that will seal it to your shoe. It will definitely be good. You can wear it in all weather. I wear mine in snow, rain, whatever. I've had no problems. So if you do decide to do something like that with your shoes, just make sure that you're sealing it with several coats of the Mod Podge. So guys, this was super fun DIY. I have many more ideas in my head for stickers, but I just wanted to share this one with you first. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you got inspired or found it helpful in some way. And if you did, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. I have tons more ideas for shoes, clothes, home decor, you name it. I've got plenty more ideas going through my head and some that I've already executed that I want to share with you guys. So make sure that you're subscribed and you've clicked that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Thanks, and in today's video, we are going to be DIYing a pair of Aquaman inspired high heels. It sounds so stupid. Maybe because it is. All right, let's try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? Oh, my hair! What is going on with it? Like, this swoopity-doo thing is just not working for me. I should try a different style. Try it again. And most people are probably thinking to themselves, who would ever wear a pair of shoes like this? Well, I would. Just saying. And they also make a nice decorative piece of what? What? All right, try it again.